in a good income statement, we always want to have 5 shots for income: parts, labor, tires, sublet, and shop supplies. And my ideal income statement is 2 pages or less. If you can get it on 1 page, great. If you have an income statement and it's 5 pages long, we've got way too many categories in there, or something like that. We've really got to condense that down. You can get, I would challenge you to get more in depth with your point of sale system, and then let this be the general snapshot and scorecard, just to double check the point of sale. So for all of those 5 income categories, we're going to have offsetting cost of goods sold categories. So we're going to have parts and parts, labor, tires and tires, sublet, shop supplies. If you're in California, you're not going to have shop supplies because you can't do that there. So the other thing I would tell you is if you have a shop and you do $1 million a year in service and $500,000 a year in tires, definitely want to make sure that you have that extra tire category in. And then, so if you'll notice on this one, the cost of goods sold under labor, we have all these items that also go into having a technician, that we need to make sure that we add that and account for that: technician wages, uniforms, payroll taxes, insurance, meals, training, tools, other, and anything that goes to having that technician. So in that previous slide where we were talking about OpEx, parts, labor, so this cost right here is one of the things that we're trying to find. The labor cost is what we're trying to find as a percentage of total. And then also we're adding the payroll from service advisors, owners, and everything else in there for our bucket. And then everything in yellow here would be considered an operating expense. So you've got accounting, advertising, attorney, bank fees, coaching, computer, dues and subscriptions, interest expense, meals and entertainment, rent, repair, security, travels, utilities.